So we're here today to present our research, our poster presentation on our work that we did as conference co-chairs for the KCL Paediatric Society last year. So as part of our role, we organised a student undergraduate conference where we kind of invited medical students from around the city and also sixth formers to attend the conference. And what we were really interested in is a lot of societies hold conferences as such to kind of increase student interest in certain specialties. But we really wanted to see if these conferences kind of impact these students in any sort of way and kind of influence their kind of interests in pursuing that specific specialty. So our conference was last year, so February 2023, and it consisted of a morning of lectures where we invited 4 different speakers from a breadth of paediatric specialties, and then in the afternoon we divided workshops. So we had 6 form specific workshops, and then we also had medical student specific workshops that were kind of tailored to each of the age groups. And what we did is before the conference and also after the conference, we sent out feedback forms and we kind of asked the students several questions, kind of trying to gauge their interest in how much they knew about paediatrics and if they were actually interested in pursuing it.
So what we found is that interest in paediatrics didn't change in our results. However, understanding of the paediatric training pathway and what it is actually like to be in a paediatric career did increase. And we think that there are 3 main reasons for this. So within medical school, lots of students have limited paediatric placement and as a result, limited exposure to those from the Royal Colleges. So we invited a speaker from RCPCH who was able to talk through the training pathway and it highlighted how knowing the complexity of the specialty training pathway doesn't deter students from pursuing paediatrics. And we also had a range of subspecialty talks which gave an idea of the breadth of paediatrics to the medical students and sixth formers. So what we really hope to pass forward on is how medical schools themselves should really be bringing in this guidance on specialty applications to medical students so that earlier on in our student careers we can think about what we need to do and where we need to go next.